my room first, and then I'll kind of get into it. So here's our bed. We have a little tree in the corner. We have our dresser over here. We have a bathroom here. So you come out of the bathroom and this is the room. We have a recliner over here and this mirror. I absolutely love this mirror. Let me show you how big it is for context. It's very large, but it's not like gaudy and so big that it takes up way too much space. So I think it's like the perfect size. And we do have a recliner in here. Originally, we got a recliner for our room because we had it from our old house and we didn't want to get rid of it. It's a nice recliner. And we have an 8-month-old baby. So when she was in our room still sleeping, it was nice to have a recliner to rock her back to sleep and things like that. And then we ended up just actually really liking it in this space. So we decided to keep it. So yeah, there's that. My husband likes to sit there once we get the girls down for bed, and he unwinds for like 20 minutes, watches some TV and sits there. It's pretty comfortable. But yeah, there's our room. So I want to go ahead and put you right here. I want to go ahead and share some of the links of some of the things that people often ask about. So I have a bear picture. You could probably see it in the wall right over here. And I went ahead and linked that for you guys. It's called Deep Sleep Bear Canvas. And you guys are welcome to scroll through the links kind of as I'm talking. I've linked either the exact product or as close to it as I can find, and I'll let you guys know as I go through. But that is the exact product, the bear one that I put linked right there. The next one, this is our bed frame. You can see it's, let me bring you up a little bit closer so you can see it. The material, it's like, you can see this is really soft, and it's that like fabric-y kind of material, and it's not too tall either, and it's like a cream-ish color. So it's the headboard, and then it has the frame right here, but it does not have a footboard, which I like that. So that's our bed set. I linked it. We have this basic knitted throw blanket that I put right there. I don't have the links for these two pillows, but that is the link for the throw right there. And we actually have a king size bed, and you never know. I bought it online. You never know what you're gonna get. So I did buy this memory foam padding to go on my bed, and if you are looking for memory foam padding, I can't speak highly enough about this one. My bed is so freaking comfortable. So again, I do have a king, so I think I linked the king size here, but if you have a mattress that you're trying to get some more life out of, I would definitely recommend getting this padded memory foam. That's the one that we have. I went ahead and linked it. They are a little expensive, but it's way cheaper than having to buy a completely new mattress. And honestly, when it comes to your sleep, in my opinion at least, it is so worth it to be sleeping on something comfortable. So that is the memory foam mattress pad that we have. I think it's like a cooling one as well, so it's supposed to like make it so it's not too hot. But I love it. It's not too hard, not too soft. And then anytime I show my bedroom, I get asked about this rug. So I did link the specific rug here too, and I went ahead and clicked it, so hopefully you guys can see it. And feel free to ask me any questions as we're chatting here. But let me lift it up so you can see it a little bit better. So I put it underneath our bed here. There we go. Put underneath our bed. It was not the easiest thing to do that because the bed was already there and the rug came second. So I just like folded it in half and like lifted the bed and then kind of like slid it as it unfolded underneath the rug. So that's how I put it on there. But I think it's a very cute rug. I got a large size, so it's an 8x10. So it's a pretty big area rug because I wanted it to still show on all sides underneath my bed. And okay, you guys might judge me for this, but I cannot stand when you have a rug on top of carpet and it slides and it rolls and you're constantly having to readjust it. So I actually screwed my rug into the ground and I unscrewed it after to see what it looked like, and it did not leave any holes in the carpet at all. Let me show you guys where I have it screwed. I don't know if you can even see that, like it's so hard to even notice, but like right here there's a screw in the ground. So I did all corners, and now my rug never moves. I saw that on TikTok one time, someone doing that, and so I tried it, and I can't believe it works. Yeah, like I said, it doesn't leave a hole in the carpet, and if it did, you can kind of just like move it around a little bit. But yeah, so I went ahead and screwed in my rug so it does not move, so I love that it actually stays in place there. Let's see what else I got linked for you guys. I linked, I think I my baby crying downstairs. We have a nanny that comes twice a week, and she's here right now, and I thought I heard my baby crying, so I was just listening. Anyways, I linked these picture frames. I thought that I had them in this room, but I think I have them in a different room because I'm looking around, I don't see them in this room. So my bad on that, but I love those picture frames. Hi, just saying I really enjoy your Amazon recommendations and your easy meals. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 15-month-old daughters. Oh, daughters, do you have twins? 15 months is a fun age. I remember when my firstborn got to be around 1.5, I kind of felt like, okay, we made it. Like we're out of the unpredictability stuff, and she started sleeping through the night finally at 1.5 years. She was not a good sleeper, so at 1.5 years is when she started sleeping through the night. So I feel like 15 months is a good age when it's starting to get a little bit, I don't want to say easier because every single stage has its challenges, but Paige, my youngest, is 8 months old right now, and she's sitting up on her own a little better, and already I'm like, okay, this is getting a little bit easier, because having to walk and hold her around all the time and not really having somewhere to set her down without her crying is hard. But now that she's sitting up on her own, she's kind of interacting more with my oldest, and so it's getting a little bit easier. But I'm wondering when she does start crawling if it's going to get harder again, because now I'm like constantly going to be making sure she's not getting into anything. I'm going to have to like re-baby proof our house because my other daughter's like 3 now, so it's baby proof, but not the same way as like a newly crawling baby, make sure everything's off the ground kind of thing. But thank you for watching my Amazon lives, and I'm glad that you enjoyed my meals. Another link I wanted to show you guys is this olive tree. So I've got it in the corner. Let me just take you over here and show you. Ow. Stuck my toe. Here's the olive tree. It is a 6-foot olive tree. And actually in my daughter's nursery, I just got a pre-lit one as well. They make those. I should have linked it for you guys. But I love that one in her room too. I'm going to do an Amazon Live again, maybe next week, of my daughter's nursery, and it's going to show the pre-lit tree. The rocking horse my grandpa actually made. And my daughter loves to come in here and rock on that. But I have a tree in just about every single room of my house. Here's the recliner. It's not the exact one. I couldn't find the exact link because we've had it for a long time. Like I said, it came from our old house and it moved with us here several years ago. But this mirror, I mentioned it earlier, a little pricey, $150, $149. But a large mirror is awesome. My husband is 6'5" and he uses this mirror as well. But for me, I like to be able to step back and really see like my whole outfit. So definitely love that mirror. Like I said, it doesn't take up too much space. But yeah, I love that mirror. I do hear my baby crying. I'm gonna go check on her, even though our nanny is amazing and she can handle it. She does nap around 9:30, so she's probably getting a little bit tired. But yeah, so anytime I'm doing a live stream in my room, people always ask me for links for like my bed frame. A lot of people ask for this picture as well, and I do apologize, I don't have a link for that picture. That was a picture my mom actually got, like I think in the 90s. Like she's had it her whole life in her house, and when I moved out and lived on my own, she moved as well, and they just didn't need it in their house, their new house anymore. It just didn't fit. And I was glad to take it. I think it is so pretty, and I've looked to see if I can find a link for you guys, and I just haven't been able to find it anywhere. But so I apologize for that, but I do get asked about that a lot as well. And I thought that I linked my lamps, but they must be out of stock now. because I don't see the lamp links anymore. But these were just wicker lamps. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry that the link's not there anymore, but I did want to make sure I got the rug because that's a huge one that people always ask about, and also my bed frame is a big one people ask about. So yeah, there's all of that, and if you guys want to